To buy the dip or wait? That is the question, and here I am to answer it. And is this a great time to buy the dip in the crypto market, which Bitcoin coming down to 92K? And I said exactly this exact words in my previous videos. If you guys watched it, Bitcoin can easily come down to early 90s, 80s, because in a matter of a month we went from the 60s to the 90s, right? Bitcoin's just been in this parabolic move that's just been unsustainable, right? So we have to come down. I mean, it's healthy. It's a great sign. It's bullish, in fact, Bitcoin coming down to these gaps, because it's going to make this bull market more sustainable. That's just the truth. It's going to make it more longer lasting, right, than the previous bull markets, where Bitcoin in a matter of 4 months or something like that just kept going up, and then it peaked, and that was it. And then we slowly came down, and then we came down heavy. So this tells me, this gives me all the signs in the charts as well in the real world, with this government being pro crypto, and everything aligning for crypto, telling me that this is going to be a longer lasting bull market, which means it could be slower. Okay, so either with all that, if Bitcoin goes to 150 by this spring, I'm going to take most of my profits. That's just the truth. It's situational. I'm going to keep you guys up to date. If you haven't yet joined Cryptopolis, it's 100% free, my crypto community. But this, in my opinion, is a great time to buy the dip. It really is, because we have confirmation that we're going to keep going up, right? No matter how long this dip lasts, no matter how long we can dip 30, 50% and still be bullish. Okay, guys, like we can, and this is the amazing thing. This is why I'm so bullish, and why I say bull market dips are different from bear market dips, because with this dip, you've seen altcoins have been holding well, right? Altcoins have been holding pretty decently. In fact, the altcoin index went up. It's last time I checked, it went from like 28 to 42. It literally doubled with Bitcoin coming down to these levels, and altcoins holding up well. So this is a good sign. This is a great sign, especially when you see older altcoins like Litecoin, XLM starting to shift that momentum to the upside, because we didn't have that in the spring. We did not have that in the spring, where these older altcoins, boomer coins, were moving up nicely. They were still in bear market lows back in the spring pump of 2024. So this is a great sign. And I do believe we're going to continue to go up, even if we're basically flat for December. And I was getting that feeling that we would obviously have a dip and possibly even stay flat in December, because it reminds me of back in 2021 when Bitcoin rose so much in November, and then as we got to Thanksgiving, it started coming down, and then December was flat. So it kind of gave me deja vu from that November back in 2021, I believe. So, this is not the time to go all in to FOMO, but to DCA, right? Put a certain percentage of your portfolio, buy, every couple of days. I'm buying certain coins at least, right? Just one of them I'll give you is Turbo. I think Turbo is at a good deal. Brett as well. So I'm buying certain coins that I believe are still at good prices, but has so much potential to 5x, 10x, 20x, right? And these are coins, by the way, that aren't dead flat in the bear market territory. Because there's certain coins out there, if you're investing in a coin that's just dead flat and hasn't even reacted with the market from last spring or even recently with Bitcoin going to 99K, it's a big sign that coin will not survive. It's a big risk. So it's better to invest in a coin that's already in a nice uptrend, broken bear market resistances, and coming down to retest support levels, than buying these coins that are dead. Like, because a lot of people, the way that they think is like, oh, this coin is still at this price, so low, and its all-time high was this much. Well, people don't know that project probably has so much more in supply than back in 2021's high. And since it has so much supply throughout these years, it caused it to come down to these low levels, which is still stuck in, and most likely not going to go up unless they have something really big fundamentally that causes the demand to move that coin despite all the new supply. You see what I'm saying? So you want to invest in coins that haven't printed so much supply since 2021. And this is a website that I always share in my live streams to check this. It's called marketcapof.com. There's a way, it doesn't tell you right away. You have to do something. You have to like, I'll probably make a video on how I check that. But this is that moment in time where we're getting towards the end before these altcoins pop off, right? Before we have crazy altcoin season, and all the altcoins are not going to survive, guys. That's another reality too that many people that just don't really understand is not all the altcoins are going to survive, and you got to be invested in coins that you know you have high conviction on, right? Like, you don't want to have all your money in low cap coins, and you know the majority, there's a big risk with that coin not surviving this bull market. So this is the time to think, to maybe even shift your portfolio. There's gonna be a moment in time where I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin and shift it into other altcoins, because I want, for my amount of Bitcoin that I have right now, I want to X that amount so I can have enough to buy one Bitcoin next bear market. Okay, that is my game plan. I want to have at least enough to buy one Bitcoin next bear market, which, as we, you know, later in the future, I'll share my bottom for next bear market, which I see. But we got to see where Bitcoin goes up to this bull market first. Okay, but again, guys, yes, this is a good time to buy, but not be patient, because we can still go lower. So be patient. Yes, DCA, right? Put a little bit in every day or so, a couple dollars, whichever amount that you're able to, based on your situation. And that's the thing too. We have so many new people that came into crypto recently that they're probably in the loss right now, right? So many new people, probably from the stock market, that came into crypto, bought crypto, and they're probably down right now. And this is the way it just is. Smart money knows this, and obviously takes profits. And smart money, they want you to sell at a loss, right? They want you to panic sell. And you know, majority of people that come in, that get emotional. That's why emotions will make you panic sell. It will make you sell at a loss, because you come in, you basically buy near a local top, then we take profits, right? Smart money takes profits, gets you in fear because you're down 30% or something, and then you sell at a loss. So you want to be long-term minded, but you want to be long-term minded to sell near the peak of the crypto market, near euphoria, not like 5-10 years. Okay, that's not, you don't want to do like that. You don't want to have that long-term mindset in crypto, because it's very it's very cyclical. So hope this video helped. I'm going to keep you guys up to date on more levels, on more coins, what I buy, some coins that I think are still great prices, my top 3, top 5, all that. But if you guys want to be up to date, of course, join Cryptopolis for free, the greatest community in the world for crypto. And I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.